Good evening. My association with Mahajan sir goes back to the year 1986. I was his student and continue to be so. As he is what he is, he not only taught us mathematics, he showed us how it came so naturally to him to put his body, mind, and soul into whatever he did. He connected across the age group and gender with ease. I feel as if he used to treat me like a younger brother and shared his perspective on things for which I was looking for answers in my mind. He is a kind of a mind reader. Association with Mahajan sir has continued, and like a genuine well-wisher and a mentor, he continues to bring clarity of thought and happiness in my life. It is indeed an honor, sir,